Hey internet, assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about FabFitFun. So I've got some stuff. I got my summer box. And I received some of the stuff which is I picked from ads on. So there's so many. I got the list here. So I'm going to tell you everything one by one. So first I'm just going to jump into the box because I'm very excited about a few stuff here. So I already unboxed it. Like I opened it up, was just I just couldn't wait. So the first thing I got here in the box is this is like Isaac Mizrahi. It's the vase. It's very beautiful vase. I opened it already. It looks pretty. It's pink, little glossy and a little rough. I don't know, this is a chalk thing and this is the glossy thing. It's really cute little thing, and I'll definitely decorate my room with this vase. I do have some flowers and I'll post this on my Instagram. So I actually like the color. The color is just so pretty. It's very beautiful pastel, like pink. That's what the color is, but it's really cute. So I got this. I actually picked this one for my box, and I'm just gonna put it back. Packaging is great. So, and the prices I will mention in the description because I know I'm gonna have a hard time to find the prices. So the box, let me show you the box actually. It's this. This is my box. It's very pretty summery colors. So then I've got this ice roller from Zoe Ayla, I think. Aloe, yeah. So this is that, and this is something very exciting stuff because it says enjoy the benefits of cold therapy with this extremely convenient tool by Zoe Ayla. Get rid of puffy eyes, redness, tightens and rejuvenates skin. I don't know what that word is. You can find it on internet. So to achieve radiant glowing skin in just a minute. So you put this stuff in the refrigerator for like a couple of hours, 3-4 hours maybe, and then you do this. This is actually pretty exciting. I actually like getting skin care products because they're expensive, so I got this. Okay, and then I have got this brow pencil. This brow pencil I use Too Faced, sorry, Benefit, Too Faced. Okay, Benefit cosmetic brow products, like usually, and a MAC. So this is like Winky Lux brow. So I don't know, the color looks great for my brows because I use a little darker, and it's fancy. It has spoolie, and then the other side it has it's more like the Benefit brow pencil thing is similar to that. So let's see how it goes. So I got this. So then I've got Michael Kors passport holder. It's such a great option. Like I think the retail price of this is $78, almost $80. It's US, and it's a pretty good option that you get something this expensive in the box. So this is the wallet. I mean passport holder. You can use it as a wallet. Like it's just up to you. You can just multi-use a product. So this is this. It's original Michael Kors. No faking, nothing at all. So yeah, I got couple of from Coach and Michael Kors. So I might keep it as a gift or giveaway or something. So then I have got, I was wondering, I did open it, so I got a hand cream. Is this hand cream comes with this these two creams here. So this is a foot cream and this is a hand cream. This is silicone, no, Sicilian blood oranges, and this is coconut, verbena, shea butter, argan oil thing. So this is the foot cream. Smells like it's very refreshing. It's a very fresh fragrance. And this is sponge gel hand cream. So sponge gel, you know, remember that scrubbing thing from I think it was in the spring ads on or something. So it's the smell. This actually smells great. It's wonderful. So I've got these two items here. Then I've got this Tom's glasses. So this Tom's glasses, sunnies actually. It's more like boys thing. I don't know. It's blues, boys stuff. I don't know. I'm gonna try this. Let's see if it suits me, or maybe I'll give it to my brother. I don't know. Ooh. Okay. Looks nice though. So I got this. It's actually nice. It's made in Colombia, Sydney, whatever towns. So yeah, I got these sunnies. They actually look just sturdy and very nice. So yeah. Okay, so finally I've got something here, which is this bag. So I was really excited about this bag because I never bought such bag ever. So this is a straw bag, and it has very pretty, like, you know, smooth lining inside, and then a pretty blue scarf. It's like a silky scarf, and it's perfect for beach, perfect for parks, and to carry your stuff, or maybe at work. I like an extra bag because I do carry a lot of stuff. So I like keeping everything with me, so I don't have to ask someone or borrow or whatever. So I just don't like that feeling. So I got this bag. So I do have like very expensive brands, but this is nice too. See, I mean, a good, like, it has that summer thing. So yeah, I got this bag. So this was my box, and then I've got some ads-on stuff here. So ads-on stuff is really great as well. I'm very excited and I'm very happy. I'm glad I bought those things. So first thing I have here is this these organizer things. So these are 3 of them. Yeah, a bigger size, medium, and then the smaller one. This is the smaller version, which is great. And it has, it's not that fabric, it has a plasticky thing inside, you know, the lining thing, and it's great. It's sturdy, you know what I mean. So I will definitely use it to keep my stuff organized, as I do have a lot of stuff sitting in my other things, so I just don't want to keep those organizers. So it's very beautiful. The color is great too. It's gray and white, so I like it. And then I have Kopari original coconut deodorant and Kopari tropical coconut deodorant. So these are 2 things here. I really like using deodorants because it's summer, and I am someone who just can't leave or live without deodorant. So I opened this one, the tropical one. It smells great actually. Oh yes, it smells like fresh beach. I don't know, it's just so good. So I never used Kopari deodorant before. I was a little scared of getting something, but I'm actually glad that this is full size thing, and I believe I bought it for like $7 each, so like it's less than $10. So I got these 2. I do have one in Donna Karen, and one is from FabFitFun last time, in spring ads on, and I got these 2. This is Kopari, and it's like something. So this is it. Then I have these beads. So this is gold hard wax beans. I got it, like, I'm gonna use it for the first time, and it comes with this melting pot. So let me show you. The beads are like this, and this smells great. Like it's good, and it comes in this box. And this is the thing we are going to use for melting. It's a melting pot, reusable melting pot. So look at, wow, okay. Oh, so this is silicone cup. See, so the silicone cup, we are going to add beads in here and heat it up in the microwave. So it's very easy, like, wow, it's great, and it's reusable. I think it's easy to clean wax from the silicone, I believe. So that's what the idea behind this, because I really don't want to use wax in a pot, like in a bowl or whatever, because it's just not easy to remove. And finally I got this because I like using wax in my armpits because they keep them more clean. Okay, La Tweez, it's Pro Illuminating Tweezer. So this is this. It has that what do you say that? What do you call it? A light. Yeah, light. It has that. So let me just open it here. It's very pretty pink color. I don't know how to use it. Okay, I don't know, I might need to put some batteries in. Oh yes, oh, this is nice. So it comes with these things, like you keep it in here and then you do this. So it's such a, like, it's a good idea to keep something with you. It has tweezers case and a mirror, and yeah, so we'll definitely use it. So okay, so I got this here. I'm just gonna put in here. There you go. Okay, so this is the, what else? And then I've got this Kate Summerville goat milk cream. Okay, I've been looking to buy something like this, but I was waiting for sale, but I never found this stuff on sale. So this goat milk cream helps eczema, and put goat milk in the bath using cream daily, help nourishing skin. So I'm really excited to use this because it's small. I'm gonna smell this. It smells like regular goat. Ouch. Okay. Okay, I need to not apply it on my hands because I just don't want to put it back in the jar. It's melting, like literally it's melting. Okay. Well, my hands are dry anyway, so yeah. So then I have got this hair removing product. So this hair removing product is from Zoe Ayla as well. It's a professional device. It gives you 4 times more coverage than the razor, and I like using it because I don't want to use razors on my legs because I don't know, I feel like they're damaging my legs. So I'm gonna use this. Very excited about this. It has like 4 things, and look at the size. It's very convenient, like good for traveling as well. So I'll be using it and then post my reviews later because this thing is expensive. I mean, it was on sale, but still expensive for, like, you know what I mean. And then I have Okay, I'm very excited to show this thing. This stuff is basically comes in this box. Okay. So this is the diffuser. I never use this diffuser. I do use diffusers, but the one which has essential oils and like smoky thing. This is something different, like agarbatti thing, you know, agarbatti we have used in back home. So so this is that, and then you got this as well. This is very pretty thing. You put this in here, and then you use this, I think it's essential oil of fragrance or something. So you need to dip these in here and then leave it in your room, and it's going to refresh your room, which I love. I always like using stuff like this. So look at this pretty looking thing. It's very beautiful bronzy color, very smooth. I like it. So we're gonna use this, and then I have this two-phased reviving thing. This is like soothing, glowing, hangover, good in bed. It's ultra replenishing hydrating serum, coconut water, dragon fruit, and vitamin B5. And this is a prime set refresh. It has coconut water, probiotic based ingredients, skin revivers, silicone free, alcohol free, oil free. So it's a full size, and it was on sale, so I had to buy. I got this. So there was another option, but that was sold out. As you know, when it's time for us to choose things, many of the stuff sold out, so which is really sad because we pay the same price, but still, like, we're Canadian. So I got this. So these two things, I'm gonna definitely use them because it's Too Faced. I love Too Faced, and the products are great. So I'm gonna try this. It's the first time I'm gonna use this product. And then I have this Terre Marie Aloe and tea tree toner. So I love using toners, even though they're expensive. This one is pretty expensive, actually. I will mention all the prices in the description. So this is actually, I do have a toner like Olay and something else, I don't remember. I think we have one from Clinique as well. I'm not 100% sure, but I do have something. So this is, wow, this is heavy. This is something fancy and very expensive looking thing. It's gloss, you know, that perfume, expensive perfumes. It's that. It has aloe and tea tree toner, anti-aging stuff, and nothing else mentioned here. Must be on the box, which I will read later. So it reveal your most beautiful complexion with the genius formula of our aloe and tea tree toner, clean beauty, whatever. So yeah, it's sealed. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna keep this seal. Maybe if I have to keep it in my traveling time or whatever. But this is actually an expensive product and very good looking stuff. So yeah, we'll definitely use this. And last but not least, I have this beautiful throw. So this throw, I just love it. It's so pretty. It's beautiful beige. It's fluffy, it's velvet type from this side and the furry from this side. It's gorgeous beige. I love beige. I love everything neutral tones. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely use it. It's unhide for love, not for. So yeah, this is it. So I will definitely use it. You will see this now on my Instagram post. And yeah, so these are the stuff I got in my FabFitFun box. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because once I'll hit my target for the subscribers, I will start doing my giveaways, and those are going to be great for you. So please subscribe to this channel and forward this video to your friends so they could subscribe as well and take advantage of my giveaways. So thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.